In this video, you'll learn how to find employees on Indeed step by step using the employer tools built into the platform. Whether you're hiring for the first time or just want a more efficient way to discover great candidates, this walkthrough will help you move confidently through the process. First, you'll want to make sure you're in the right part of Indeed. When you log in, Indeed can show you either a job seeker view where you'd normally search for jobs, or an employer view, which is where all the hiring tools live. Look toward the top of the page or in the main menu for an option related to employers or employer dashboard. Click that to switch into the employer view. If you already see options like post a job, candidates, or company reviews, then you're in the right place and can stay on that screen. Once you're in the employer dashboard, your next stop is the area where you can search for potential hires. Depending on your account and layout, this might be called candidates and talent or resume search. You're looking for a section that lets you browse or search through people, not jobs. Go ahead and open that section. This is where Indeed gathers profiles and resumes from people who have chosen to share their information with employers. Now you'll see a search bar usually near the top of the page. This is your main tool for narrowing down the types of people you want to find. In this search bar, start by entering skills, job titles, or other keywords that describe the role you're hiring for. For example, if you're looking for someone to manage social media, you might type social media manager, content creation, or digital marketing. If you need a developer, you could search for specific programming languages or frameworks. You don't need to overthink the keywords at first. Start with the most obvious job title or core skill, and then refine from there. Many employer dashboards also give you filters for location, experience level, or availability. Use these to narrow your search even further, especially if your role is in-person or hybrid, and you need someone near a specific city or region. After you've entered your keywords and applied any filters, you'll see a list of matching candidate profiles or resumes. This is where you can really start to evaluate potential employees. Take your time browsing through the results. When you open a profile, look for details like past job titles, length of experience, specific tools or software they've used, and any results or achievements they've listed. Pay attention to how recently their resume was updated, as that can be a good indicator of how actively they might be looking for a new role. As you browse, it can help to keep notes or shortlist promising candidates using whatever tools Indeed provides, such as saving profiles or adding them to a project or folder. This will make it easier to come back later and compare people side by side. If your account allows it, you can then reach out directly through Indeed's messaging tools or follow your normal hiring process, such as inviting them to apply to a specific job posting. By switching to the employer view, opening the candidate or resume search section, entering relevant skills or job titles, and then carefully browsing the matching profiles, you'll be using Indeed in a focused and effective way to find employees who fit what your business needs.